Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You begin by preparing essentials and taking the first actionable step. Open your journal sheet and set a clear header with date, YMMDD, and session goal. Next, create columns labeled date, topic, key points, and action. Align them with a ruler so entries stay tidy. Once done, write the session goal in one line and add the first date. This anchors every entry. Make sure to limit the goal to one sentence so you can focus on capturing useful notes quickly. Now continue by filling the middle of the sheet with concise entries and a consistent method. Write each key point as a short phrase and tag actions with a checkbox and a due date. Use a simple priority scale 1-3 to sort tasks and add symbols: asterisk for insights, exclamation for urgent items, question mark for follow-ups, so you can scan quickly. Once you've captured several items, draw a vertical line to separate completed tasks. This visual cue helps you track progress without rereading everything. Finish the process by reviewing actions and closing the session. Tick completed boxes, reschedule any undone tasks with new due dates, and write 1 or 2 measurable takeaways at the bottom. This wrap-up reinforces next steps and keeps momentum. If things go wrong, entries become messy or inconsistent, consolidate related rows and transfer essentials to a fresh sheet once a week. This resets structure and reduces overwhelm. Make sure to keep the sheet accessible so review becomes a quick habit rather than a chore.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.